Welcome to the Global Patriotic Diverse channel. I'm your host David Obi. Today we dive in and examine the most trending and watched content in the states of China. Stay tuned, enjoy, and may God bless you all.
The first stanza of the Chinese national anthem, March of the Volunteers, Yi Yang Jun Jin Xinku, Yi Yang Jun Jing Xinchu, is as follows. Qi Lai, Bu Yuan Zuo Nu Li De Ren Men. Ba Wo Men De Shui Ru, Zhu Sheng Wo Men Xin De Zhang Sheng. Zhang Hua Min Zhu Dao Le Zui Wei Xian De Shi Hu, Mei Gi Ren Bei Po J Fa Chu Zui Hu De Hu Sheng. Ideographic period. Qi Lai, Qi Lai, Qi Lai. Wo Men Wan Zhang Yi Xin, Mao J Di Ren De Pao Huo, Qian Jin, Qian Jin, Qian Jin, Jin. Mao J Di Ren De Pao Huo, Qian Jin, Qian Jin, Qian Jin, Jin. Here is a summary of the 20 most watched content types, as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. Please note that these rankings can change rapidly, and new trends may have emerged since then. The list includes a variety of content types, from movies and TV shows to YouTube channels and social media platforms. Movies, Hollywood blockbusters, international films, and local productions continue to attract large audiences. TV shows, popular TV series, both domestic and international, remain a major source of entertainment. YouTube. Content creators on YouTube produce a wide range of videos, including vlogs, tutorials, and reviews, which draw millions of viewers. Streaming services. Platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and Hulu offer a vast library of movies and TV series, attracting subscribers worldwide. Social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok host various types of content, including short videos, images, and status updates. Music videos. Music artists release visually stunning music videos that garner millions of views on platforms like YouTube. Gaming. Esports, let's play videos, and game reviews are highly popular among gamers and viewers alike. News. News channels and websites provide up-to-date information on current events, attracting a broad audience. Sports. Live sports broadcasts, highlights, and analysis videos are watched by sports enthusiasts globally. Podcasts. Podcasts on various topics, from true crime to self-improvement, have gained immense popularity. Documentaries. Informative and thought-provoking documentaries appeal to viewers interested in real-life stories and issues. Cooking and food. Cooking tutorials, food challenges, and restaurant reviews are big hits, with viewers looking for culinary inspiration. Travel and adventure. Travel vlogs, adventure documentaries, and destination guides attract those with wanderlust. Fashion and beauty. Beauty tutorials, fashion hauls, and style tips cater to a growing audience interested in personal grooming. DIY and home improvement. DIY projects, home improvement tips, and organization hacks help viewers enhance their living spaces. Health and wellness. Videos on fitness, mental health, and holistic well-being offer guidance to those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Educational content. Educational channels cover a wide range of subjects, from science and history to language learning. Animals and pets. Cute animal videos, pet care tips, and wildlife documentaries entertain animal lovers. Technology and gadgets. Tech reviews, unboxings, and tech news appeal to tech-savvy viewers. Comedy. Stand-up comedy specials, sketch comedy shows, and humorous content bring laughter to viewers. These are just some of the most watched content types across various platforms in China today. Popularity can vary by region and audience preferences, and new trends may have emerged since or by the time I was doing this video. If this is your first time to join our YouTube family, take a second or two to hit the subscription button, like, and share our videos. Also activate the notification bell so that once we produce a video like this, YouTube will automatically notify you. This way we will grow our channel together. I'm your host, David Obi. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.